If you're going to be sending traffic to your website, you're definitely going to want to set up your pixel, or if you have set it up a pixel in your ad account, you just want to set it up correctly. So to do that, we're going to head into settings once again in the bottom left, and then head here to business settings. This is going to take us into a new page. So now that we're in business settings, we're going to head down to data sources, click on that, and then click pixels. Now here you can find either the pixel that you created when you set up some ads, or you can create a new one by clicking on add, creating a name for it, and creating that pixel. So to actually set up this pixel, we're going to want to open it in Events Manager. So click on that. And now we're in Events Manager. So this is just another subcategory to the actual Meta Business Suite, where we're going to manage everything that actually all the data that comes into the Meta Business Suite. So here you can find your pixels on the left here if you have multiple set up. We just have the one, so we've got the online trade pixel here. I'm going to click on that one and then just click Continue Pixel Setup. This is going to ask you for Conversions API or Meta Pixel. I definitely recommend clicking on Conversions API. If this doesn't work, then just use Meta Pixel. But try and get Conversions API, it'll just get you a lot more detail. So we'll click on that and then click connect. And we're going to either set up with a partner integration, set up with a gateway, or set up manually. Now, if you have a web developer who manages your website, just get them to set it up. You can actually email them the code and they'll be able to set all that up and put it into the head section of your pages. Alternatively, if you use a website creator like Wix or Squarespace or anything like that, I'm not too sure what you can actually use. I use Wix personally. You're going to click on Set Up Partner Integration, then click on Next. You'll actually find, here you go, here's all of them. So you can set up with any of these. I'm going to click on Wix for mine, and this will run me through step by step exactly how to get this onto my Wix website. I'm not going to run through that here, but you literally follow through each of these individual steps. It's really, really straightforward. They give you everything that you need to copy and paste and paste in your Wix website. So go ahead and follow through those prompts and set up your pixel on your website correctly. Now that we've run through and set everything up, we actually need to verify the connection. So this is going to say test the connection. So just type in your website URL, click test the connection, and then just scroll through your website a little bit. It should show up active. Next, we're going to click on the next button. Now we're going to use the event setup tool. So I'm going to run you through how to actually use the event setup tool and what it's for. So what we need to do first is type in our website URL and then click open website. Now this is going to bring us to our website with this little toolbox here in the left corner. What this is going to do is actually track the events on our website. This is going to help later on when we click on a leads campaign for our ads, tell Meta what a lead actually is on our website. Now I only have a landing page on this, so we're going to scroll down to the bottom where we've actually got a button here. And then we're going to go track new button. It should find most of the buttons for you. So then we're going to click on this button and then we're going to choose what the actual event is. So if this was a buy now or contact me or a call button, so you want to do this for like all of your phones, all of your emails, everything that's on your website that people can click on to contact you, let Meta know what that button actually is. So if someone were to click on this update me button, say that was a button that said, get a quote, right? So someone clicks on the get a quote button, then that's going to be a lead. You can choose a value. So if that lead's going to get you, say, $250, you can set that value, but you also can just go don't include value and then click confirm. So now that we've done that, we just click finish setup. Once we've gone through all of the buttons, all of the calls, everything on our page, we click finish setup. It will run through everything all of the buttons and everything that we've actually set up here, and then just click on finish. So now that we've actually let Meta know what things are on our website, what they actually count as, so phone calls as phone calls, buttons as leads, or whatever it may be, we just want to test and make sure that they're working. So we'll head over here and just go to test events. And then we're just going to put our URL in and click open website. Now what we're going to want to do here is actually go through and test the events. So scroll through your website, fill out your forms, do whatever you need to do, and then click on the buttons. This should show up. Once you're done, simply exit that and then come through here. In our test, it has processed a lead. So the button that we set up to be a lead has now processed as a lead, which means that it is working. After that, you can just clear the activity, so it's not there anymore. And you can test this as frequently as you need to and set up events as you need to.